What I'm doing now is taking a picture of the ONT information on the back of the ONT. So it's going to be the Wi-Fi credentials and the FSAN input, so that when I need it later, I'll have it as a record, just in case I need to reference it, or in the event that I need it for some other purpose. So I tend to take pictures of that just to make the job a little bit easier. Now, generally, what we want to do is want to keep this nice and tidy and neat, but we have to keep in mind that with fiber, the more bends that you have in a cable, the more attenuation you'll have. Now, in this particular situation, we're getting about negative 10 dBm coming through the fiber currently. So this should not create too much attenuation, because the signal is adequate. While it's adequate, it's already hot. So this should not be a problem. Line it up. And put that there like that. And once that comes up, which generally takes maybe 3 to 5 minutes, once I have my configuration and my wide area network light, I will go ahead and button this jack down.